Four LSU Health Science employees go public with claims they have been continually discriminated against during their time at the med school in Shreveport. Today they explained why they feel they were forced to come forward and what they want to see happen by doing so.
They've been told that their names would not be made public.
But attorney Allison Jones says that didn't happen after the women filed Title IX claims regarding alleged conduct at the med school and how it was addressed by Chancellor G.E. Ghali.
The accusers were never heard. Their names were made public.
Jones says it happened after state legislators gained access to an executive session LSU board hearing on the women's claims. Jones says the legislators defended Dr. Ghali. She says the board took no action. It led to the women filing federal EEOC claims.
When you work in a toxic environment, you have two choices. You can leave or you can stay and try to make it better. And we choose to stay and fight.
The EEOC claim filed by Christy Renato alleges the dean of the School of Medicine advised her to, quote, go kiss the ring of Dr. Ghali before proceeding with an attempt to gain a promotion.
All we're doing is standing up and speaking the truth and, asking for action to be taken. And I certainly wish that we would have been given that opportunity.
The group claims under the supervision of Dr. Ghali, they were continually exposed to an environment of discrimination, hostility, and retaliation based solely on gender. They say the alleged inaction necessitates his removal as chancellor.
No one should have to learn or work in an environment where fear of retaliation is present and rampant.
It's not that these things don't happen, but at some point you want to hear from your leadership that, I'm sorry this happened to you on my watch. This is not okay. This will not be tolerated. And those words have never come.
And according to Jones, typically federal EEOC claims take about 6 months to be investigated. She says if no action is taken after the investigation is complete, the group will consider filing a gender discrimination lawsuit against the medical school.